Again, another coquina house, 2-car garage. There is another realtor here. This is a very popular house today. So I'm gonna do a quick video for you, kind of show you what it looks like. Very nice pattern, kind of a little wallpaper type thing there for the property. Hardwood floors here. We have nice dining room there. Large, wide open space here for the pool, or for the first room. Okay. So as we go through, you have granite countertops here. You have a little eat-in space kitchen here. Not very big. You're probably better off by having just used the dining room over on that side. You have a little electric fireplace here. So I don't know if you can see that. That's an electric fireplace. A little angle there. TV above it. Nice textured ceiling. These are only 9-foot ceilings, but still nice granite countertop. A little coffee bar or a little area here. Stove. Your dishwasher. And this is completely open, so if you're entertaining or have family or friends over, there's no cabinets or anything else blocking your view. So if you're in here cooking or cleaning or doing something, you definitely have space to be able to do things. We'll come over this way first. You have the laundry room. And then you have the master bedroom with a door that goes out to the pool. Nice textured wall there. Raised up ceiling. A nice textured wall here. Go into the master bath. Very attractive. 2 sinks here. Nice tub. Good sized shower. There's no door. There's no door to the toilet. You walk-in closet here. Good size space. So you have a nice walk-in shower, tub, 2 bathrooms. There's no door to the toilet to the toilet room. Let's go ahead this way. This is where your stoves are, by the way. Just cut them over. The first bedroom here. Down the hallway. Bathroom. Last bedroom that the current use is more of a sitting room. There's a train that's not that far away, so you will hear a train. Got a very nice screened-in patio here, looking right out onto the pool. Really good sized yard. There's that train. There's the coquina looking shells. You have a grill here. This room here goes into the first bedroom there. Nice little indoor fire pit here for the screened-in porch. We've had some little bit of wind, so there is a little bit of debris down inside the pool, but it's a very, very nice pool. I don't see any problems with the pool, decking, or anything else like that. Really good sized yard. Here's the back part of the house.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more, or if you are interested in selling or purchasing a home, here is our contact information. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. We will see you next time.